What's up fans, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how do I make money using Twitter, and I will show you three simple method that I personally use for making money using Twitter. So before starting this video, subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell for my upcoming videos. It's an educational YouTube channel based on affiliate marketing. So if you want to make money by affiliate marketing and if you want to run your online business successfully for long term, then you will get a lot of info inside my YouTube channel. And if you want to make over 10,000 per month by affiliate marketing, then check my number on the recommendation here and check my video description, and you will get my Facebook page and all of my social platforms, so you can follow me. And if you want to direct communicate with me, then send message here. And in the end of this video I will show you how can I make this big money by affiliate marketing. I am Raju Bhadra, affiliate marketer of Legendary Marketer, ClickBank and many other marketplaces, and I am making $1,000 per month by affiliate marketing, and I will show you how can I make this big money. Now in this video I will show you 3 steps and how do I make money using Twitter. Twitter is one of the best social media platform. So if you can grab all the traffic inside Twitter perfectly, then you will get a lot of targeted traffic and get a lot of sales using this Twitter marketing. Now the first method, post update. If you want to get results quickly using post update, then it's not possible. You have to tweet regularly 4 or 5 times a day. Then gradually your account will grow up and you will get your targeted traffic and you make sales to your traffic. So you have to post update regularly. You see here, it's my Twitter, and at first you have to set up your bio. In case of Twitter, bio is a mandatory element, so you have to set up your bio perfectly. Your bio shows you who you are, who what you want to provide to your audience. Everything shows inside your bio, so you have to set your bio first. You say here is my bio: self-employed as a digital marketer, I am a blogger of I am niche, here is one of my website, and a YouTube influencer. You are always welcome to my YouTube channel, and here is my YouTube channel. So method number 1, post update. You see here I am posting daily 3 or 4 times a day. You see here 46 minutes ago, 8 hours ago, 23 hours ago, 1 day ago. So you can post your personal content, or if you don't have your personal content, then you can share other people's content. It doesn't matter, it may be image, it may be videos, zip file, it may be motivational quotes, but you have to connect with Twitter. It's the main fact. So update your post daily 4 or 5 times, and obviously use various hashtags. You see here and don't forget to follow my Twitter if you want to follow me. So method number one, post update. It don't get a result instantly, but if you can grow your Twitter account, then you will get unlimited traffic for lifetime. So I prefer post update. Method number two, direct message. You can direct message to your followers, or you can find out various people inside various hashtags, and you can directly message them to your offer, your software, your training, your personal course, as you want. Or if you are if you want to promote health and fitness, beauty, then you can promote your product. It doesn't matter, you can choose any niche. So you see here is all my followers, and if I open one of them, you see here message. Click the message. You can send your message, and you see one of my message template. If anyone want to learn affiliate marketing from zero to super affiliate, and run your online business for a lifetime, then join this number on training program now. That is your affiliate link. So just copy it, paste here, and send. That's it. It's so much simple, so much easy. There is no difficulties here. So step number two is direct message. Method number three, post comment. But I want to see it again. Direct message, you can make 100 messages per day. Mind it, 100 messages per day, but don't do it uh, so much at a time. You can message 5 or 6 people at a time, then break few times. After that you can message 10 or 15 people, then break, then gradually you can send 1000 messages per day. Now post comment. Here is the method number 3, post comment. For this you can search make money online. You will get a lot of posts inside here, and you see here just comment, or a lot of post here in this make money hashtag, and you can see here comment bar, and just comment it as the same thing. You can comment here, post, copy it, paste here, and reply. That's it. And you can do 100 or 150 comments per day. So you can use this, and that's it. Method number 3. So guys, method number 2 and method number 3, if you apply this two methods, method number 1 and 2, then you will get result anytime. I don't assure you will get result 100%, but you can get result anytime, because all of your message and post comment will be shown by your audience, and anything they can buy your offer or your software, your product, your training program, or your uh, physical products. So you can get sell anytime, but there is no surety. And that's it. And finally, I want to say, in case of direct message and post comment, you can choose low ticket products or offers, like $5, $7, 10, 15, 20. And for this, Warrior Plus is the best. Sign up Warrior Plus, it's for free. Username, password, email address, you are not robot, create account. That's it. And after creating your account, you can say affiliate section, then affiliate offers, and you will get all the offers of Warrior Plus. You will get all the offers of Warrior Plus and send request them to promote their offers. And you will get marketplace, and you see all the latest product of Warrior Plus, and you can send request for promoting their products. That's it. So in case of direct message and post comment, I prefer Warrior Plus because it's a low ticket product and you can get sales using this Twitter traffic. So guys, that's it, all these three methods. If this video help you to get traffic and make money, then like this video, and if you have any questions, then comment in the comment box, and don't forget to share this video with the other peoples. Now I'll show you, it's Legendary Marketer. It's an educational online marketing platform. It's an educational training program. So if you want to make big money from affiliate marketing, then you have to learn first, then you can earn. And if you want to learn with the right way, the accurate, if you want to learn the accurate strategies, then Legendary Marketer is the best training program for affiliate marketing and online business. And if you want to run your online business successfully for lifetime, then it's one of the best training program. I am a member of this Legendary Marketer and affiliate of Legendary Marketer, and here is my earning of Legendary Marketer. It's a high ticket training program, and I made a high ticket sales in few hours ago, and you see here I made 14 high ticket sales inside this Legendary Marketer within very short time. And Legendary Marketer teaches me how to promote this type of high ticket program. So guys, if you want to make big money, then join Legendary Marketer. It's for 7, and after joining this, you will get this 15 days challenge. Complete all these 15 days and you will be appointed a coach or an advisor for solving your problems, and you can directly communicate with your coach. And you see here is my scoreboard. You see here I am Raju Bhadra, here number 4, last 7 days I am here, and last 1 week here is me, I am here. You see here, and here is all my commissions. Last 7 days I have made 2000, last 30 days over 4000. So guys, if you want to make big money from online marketing, affiliate marketing, then join Legendary Marketer. It's 7 charts. So guys, if you want to start your Twitter marketing, then you can follow all these three methods, and I prefer obviously post update in daily basis. Then you can grow your Twitter profile gradually day by day, and you will get unlimited traffic from Twitter for a lifetime. Then you can direct message and post comment for, and both three methods all are combined to grow your Twitter account. So guys, best of luck, take action and get results. Bye.